Today, our online experience is so much more than just checking emails. From talking to friends and family to doing the weekly food shop, discovering new holiday destinations and researching things to do locally, the online world is very much a part of our daily lives. As the time we spend online increases, so do the digital opportunities available. The online experience is constantly evolving thanks to content creators, businesses and app developers who are able to find new and innovative ways to help us shop, learn and connect. So whether you own a business yourself or would like to work for one, now is a great time to jump in and see how you can get involved in the digital world. But where do you start? Right here, Google Digital Unlocked provides you with a simple way to navigate digital marketing concepts and gain the knowledge you need to feel confident. Whether it's content marketing, online advertising, mobile marketing, or selling products online, we've organized it into bit-sized video lessons and quizzes so that it's easy for you to either pick up new skills or brush up on your existing knowledge. Learn how to build an online business strategy, improve how a website ranks on search engines, and use analytics tools to understand online performance. Whatever your interest, there's a topic here to help you meet your online goals. The digital marketing topics have been created by experts and allow you to learn at your own pace. Take the lessons in chunks or complete multiple topics at once, whenever and wherever you want. And if you'd like to get the most of the course, there's also an option to complete all topics and assessments and be awarded the official Google Digital Unlocked certification offered in partnership with the Interactive Advertising Bureau. No matter what your skill level is or what you'd like to achieve, Google Digital Unlocked will help you build your digital marketing skills. Improve how your business performs online, boost your CV, or just jump in to learn something new.